In this video, we will talk about the collection capabilities provided by Sumo Logic. We'll highlight the reasons why OpenTelemetry Collector should be your first choice. Sumo Logic provides collection capabilities. Let's compare installed collectors and OpenTelemetry collectors with regards to supporting each capability. We'll highlight key points to consider when choosing OpenTelemetry over the installed collector. The first capability is data forwarding and archiving. Installed collectors support data forwarding through processing rules and HTTP sources, enabling routing to external destinations. Archiving is supported via Sumo's data tiering mechanisms, which can be configured alongside the collector. It is particularly valuable under legacy pricing models where storage efficiency is critical. OpenTelemetry collectors are primarily optimized for data collection and export, with no native data forwarding or archiving features. Designed to be modular and vendor agnostic, OTel opens opportunities for future extension through custom processes or integrations. It fits well within modern pricing models such as Flex, where real-time ingestion and processing are prioritized over intermediate forwarding. Organizations with compliance or multi-destination routing needs may still rely on installed collectors in the short term. However, as cloud-native architectures mature, adopting OTel's capabilities, such as custom processes or external workflows, will provide a more flexible, scalable alternative. Transitioning to OTel helps simplify infrastructure while supporting longer-term observability goals. Next is health event reporting. Installed collectors provide rich, granular health event reporting, including source-specific errors like file path issues and failed collections. They enable proactive troubleshooting and minimize data ingestion gaps. Currently, OpenTelemetry Collector provides basic health signals such as heartbeat status and host-level metrics. While installed collectors excel in detailed health monitoring today, OTel Collector is a better longer-term investment for scalable observability and intelligent alerting. Next are remote collector upgrades. Installed collectors support remote upgrades using the Sumo Logic UI, enabling updates without manual intervention. However, configuration is fragmented and scaling requires significant overhead. Currently, OpenTelemetry Collector does not support remote upgrades via the Sumo Logic UI. However, it is designed to work with modern deployment systems like Kubernetes, Terraform, or CI/CD pipelines, where upgrades are automated using infrastructure as code. While installed collectors offer mature support for remote upgrades today, OTel collectors are the strategic direction for future scalability, standardization, and modern observability. Planning for OTel adoption now positions your organization to benefit from unified config management, lower operational complexity, future-ready upgrade mechanisms, and faster onboarding with integration-specific templates. Then, we will consider the enhancements to the user interface and bulk management. Installed collectors require manual configuration of each individual collector using the UI. They lack centralized bulk management, making it time-consuming and error-prone to manage large deployments. This often leads to teams requiring custom wikis or external tools to manage configurations at scale. OTel Collector introduces source templates and metadata-based tagging to enable centralized bulk management across fleets of collectors. OTel allows teams to apply consistent configurations dynamically using collector names or tag-based criteria. Enhanced UI and bulk management capabilities in OTel Collector significantly streamline configuration workflows. They enable faster onboarding of new collectors, ensure consistency across environments, and support role-based or team-based filtering, aligning with real-world operational practices. Next, we have integration-specific configurations. Installed collectors rely on generic data sources, such as local files or HTTP sources, to integrate with services. They require manual setup for each integration, often involving deep configuration knowledge. However, they currently lack predefined templates or guidance, increasing the risk of errors and inconsistent implementations. OTel Collector provides dedicated, out-of-the-box configurations for popular integrations like Apache, MySQL, Nginx, and others. OTel simplifies onboarding by offering predefined templates tailored to each service, reducing setup time. It supports user-defined configuration bundles, allowing organizations to standardize and reuse their own custom integrations. OpenTelemetry's integration-specific approach lowers the barrier to adoption for new users and teams, reduces operational complexity and misconfigurations. OTel promotes standardized, repeatable deployments at scale. Coming to performance and resource efficiency. Installed collectors often require separate configurations per data source, which can lead to increased memory and CPU usage. As resource consumption scales linearly with the number of sources, this may strain host systems. And there are limited optimization mechanisms for efficient handling of high-volume telemetry. On the other hand, OTel collection utilizes shared pipelines and advanced processing capabilities to reduce duplication and overhead. OTel is lightweight and modular, enabling optimized resource utilization and improved performance under load. OTel Collector's performance-first architecture makes them the preferred choice for modern, high-scale telemetry environments. They reduce resource consumption and infrastructure costs, support larger workloads with fewer agents, and enable faster, more reliable telemetry processing at scale. Moving on, we will talk about the capabilities around vendor neutrality and extensibility. Installed collectors are proprietary to Sumo Logic, with limited extensibility beyond the supported ecosystem. However, OTel Collector is vendor neutral and open source, allowing seamless integration with a wide range of observability and telemetry platforms. OTel is highly extensible via custom receivers, processors, and exporters, enabling organizations to tailor telemetry pipelines to their needs. OTel Collector's open architecture encourages interoperability across ecosystems, enables rapid adoption of new tools and technologies, and empowers teams to build custom pipelines and plugins without vendor lock-in. And finally, let's talk about community support and development. Installed collectors are developed and maintained exclusively by Sumo Logic, with updates and enhancements controlled internally. It has limited external contributions, resulting in slower evolution and feature availability compared to open standards. On the other hand, OTel Collector is backed by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, widely known as the CNCF, and has a large contributor base across the industry. Rapid deployment cycles and frequent feature enhancements are driven by real-world use cases. Broad adoption across vendors ensures collaborative innovation and shared best practices. OpenTelemetry's active community and open governance model provides benefits from continuous improvements, faster time to value, and access to community-driven plugins, integrations, and enhancements. We put this video together to help you compare the benefits of the two collectors and understand why OpenTelemetry has become an area of focus for collection innovation. Thank you for watching.